Are you going to install or run an app and getting the app not installed error? What does this error mean and how to solve it? Watch this video to learn more. App not installed error can be caused due to one or more reasons like insufficient storage, a corrupt application file, SD card not mounted in the device, app not getting necessary permissions, or corrupt storage. Once you have identified the cause, follow these methods to solve the error on your Android device. Even if there are multiple root causes for this error, the major reason might be an Android system failure or a system malfunction, which can be repaired with Altphone Android System Repair. The software can solve more than 150 Android system problems and will be an effective tool to fix this error too. The main advantage of this software is that you do not have to be technically sound to use it, as it is extremely simple to use. Step 1. Download the Android System Repair software for free from Altphone's official website and install it on your PC. Step 2. Launch the software and connect your device to the computer via USB. On the main interface, click on Repair Android System and press the Repair Now button to begin the process. Step 3. Select the correct device information to proceed. Make sure you enter the right information or you may break your phone. Once the information is selected, click on Next. Step 4. The software will automatically start downloading the right firmware package for your device. Once the download is complete, click on Repair Now. It automatically starts installing the downloaded firmware. Once the process is complete, the phone will restart and you can use it once again. Other than this method, you can try some common fixes to solve the app not installing error on your Android. A very important tip is to install Android apps only from Google Play Store to avoid corrupt APK files. The problem might also be caused due to insufficient storage, in which case you should uninstall unnecessary apps and clear some memory space for the apps to get installed or updated. If the app was installed in the SD card, unmount and remount the card to check if the error was due to an unmounted SD card and the app wasn't able to access the necessary paths. Alternatively, changing the default app installation location might result in such problems. In that case, you can revert to the previous settings and check if the problem has been fixed. If the error still persists, try resetting the app permissions. This is often the case that the permissions were revoked and the app can no longer function properly. So, in this video, we shared a number of methods to fix the app not installing error. Among them, Altphone Android System Repair is the most effective and reliable solution as it targets a number of major reasons and resolves them without any technical knowledge. It is the way to go if no other methods work. Thanks for watching. If this video is helpful for you, please leave your comments. Subscribe to this channel for more tips.